Google just dropped some massive AI updates and they are about to change how you use Gmail, search, photos, and even your Android phone. But don't worry, I'm breaking it down in simple language, no jargon, no confusion. Today, let's talk about what happened at Google I/O 2025 and why it matters to you. First up, Gemini. Google's main AI model is now basically everywhere. It's now built directly into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and more. So you can ask Gemini to write emails, summarize long documents, or even brainstorm ideas right inside the app. No extra tools needed. It's like having a super smart assistant baked into everything you use. But that's just the start. Google is putting Gemini right into Android itself. It can now understand what's on your screen and help you do things faster, like replying to messages, explaining your screen. But that's just the start. Google is putting Gemini right into Android itself. It can now understand what's on your screen and help you do things faster, like replying to messages, explaining confusing text, or searching for related info, all in one tap. And here is the crazy part. Some of these features even work offline. Google Search just got a huge AI upgrade too. It's called AI Overviews. Instead of showing you just links, Google now gives you an instant summary at the top, like the answer you are about to spend 10 minutes looking for. For example, if you search best exercises for lower back pain, you'll get a neatly organized AI-generated answer right away. Here is a feature that seriously blew my mind. It's called Ask Photos. You can literally ask photos questions like, show me photos of my dog playing in the snow, and pulls them out for you instantly. No scrolling, no albums, just a smart search that understands your memories. Now this part is fun. Google is letting you create your own personal AI. They are called gems. You can build a version of Gemini that acts like a motivational coach, a language tutor, a coding buddy, or even a recipe assistant customized just for you. Quick question, which of these AI features would you use first? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your take. These updates show one thing: AI isn't future anymore, it's the present, and Google is making it available to literally everyone. If you want to understand AI the easy way, this is the channel for you. I'll be trying out these new tools and showing you how to actually use them step by step. So hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.